In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 65 by 2 using the long division method. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Subtract, we get a 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this number 5 here. Now see that this is the number 5. So we can remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 2, and see that we have no number to bring down here. So in this situation we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And now we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore 65 divided by 2 is equal to 32.5. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.